In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Dropbox and set up an automation to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. First, we will start by heading over to Dropbox's website at www.dropbox.com. Once there, you'll want to log in with your account credentials. If you're not already signed in, just enter your email and password, then hit the Sign In button to access your files. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page where all your files are conveniently stored. To locate your files, simply navigate to the left-hand side and click on All Files. This will take you to a list of all your current folders and documents within Dropbox. Here, we're going to create a brand new folder. Let's move on to the exciting part. Creating the folder. Look for the Create button, depicted as a plus sign, often found at the top or right side of your screen. Click on that, then select Folder from the drop-down menu. It's here that you'll want to consider a name for your folder. A unique and descriptive title that properly reflects the contents you're planning to store can be really helpful for future reference. As you're finishing up with naming your new folder, you might notice an option labeled Add Automation. If it appears, this is your chance to streamline your workflow further. Simply check the box to add this automated enhancement immediately. But if, for some reason, you don't see the Add Automation option during the creation process, don't worry. You can easily add it afterward. To add automation later, locate your newly created folder, and to the right, find the three dots that indicate more options. Click those dots, navigate to Automate, and then select Set up an automation. Here, you can choose from several automation actions. Let's take a look at a few examples. One option you might find useful is Organize by Date, which automatically moves new files into subfolders categorized by year and month. This helps in keeping your files orderly and makes them easier to find. Another option is Convert to PDF, which will automatically convert uploaded documents or images into PDF format, especially useful if you often need to share files in a consistent format. Lastly, Rename Files allows you to set a naming pattern for consistency, such as applying a format like YYYMMD file name. Now, after setting up the automations, it's time to see them in action. Try testing it out by uploading or dragging a file into your new folder, and wait a few seconds. You should see the automation kick in. If you're curious to observe the changes, you can check the folder activity. This is usually accessible from the folder interface and will show you the recent automated actions taken. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only created a new folder within Dropbox, but have also set up a time-saving automation to enhance your file management system. Feel free to explore and experiment with different automations that best fit your workflow needs.